When it comes to upgrading your home, a new door can make a huge difference in comfort, security, and curb appeal. But even the highest quality door can underperform if it's installed incorrectly. Unfortunately, door installation mistakes are more common than many homeowners realize, and they can lead to drafts, water damage, security issues, and costly repairs down the line. That's why working with experienced Phoenixville door replacement professionals matters. Below are some of the most common door installation mistakes and how trusted local pros make sure they never happen. Incorrect measurements from the start. One of the biggest mistakes in door replacement is inaccurate measuring. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can cause gaps, sticking doors, or uneven alignment. How pros avoid it. Phoenixville door replacement specialists take precise measurements of the existing opening, accounting for framing, flooring, and wall conditions. They also inspect for hidden issues like warped frames or settling that could affect the final fit. Poor door frame preparation. Installing a new door into an old or damaged frame is a recipe for problems. Rot, moisture damage, or uneven framing can compromise the door's performance and lifespan. How pros avoid it. Professional installers inspect and prepare the door frame before installation begins. If repairs or reinforcements are needed, they handle them first, ensuring a solid, stable base for the new door. Improper leveling and alignment. A door that isn't perfectly level can swing open or shut on its own, rub against the frame, or fail to latch properly. This not only causes frustration but can also weaken hardware over time. How pros avoid it. Experienced Phoenixville door replacement teams use professional-grade leveling tools and techniques to ensure the door is square, plumb, and balanced. This attention to detail ensures smooth operation from day one. Inadequate sealing and insulation. Gaps around a door may seem minor, but they can lead to drafts, water leaks, higher energy bills, and even pest problems. How pros avoid it. Professionals use high-quality insulation materials, weather stripping, and sealants to create a tight seal around the door. This improves energy efficiency and keeps your home comfortable in every season. Using the wrong hardware. Choosing incorrect or low-quality hinges, locks, or fasteners can affect both security and durability. Poor hardware may loosen over time or fail under daily use. How pros avoid it. Phoenixville door replacement pros select hardware designed specifically for your door type, size, and usage needs. Everything is installed securely and tested to ensure long-term reliability. Rushing the installation process. DIY or rushed installations often skip critical steps, leading to mistakes that show up weeks or months later. How pros avoid it. Professional installers follow a proven, step-by-step process and never rush the job. Their focus is on long-term performance, not quick fixes, giving homeowners peace of mind. Ignoring local climate conditions. Doors must stand up to temperature changes, humidity, and weather exposure. Ignoring these factors can result in warping, swelling, or premature wear. How pros avoid it. Local Phoenixville door replacement experts understand regional climate conditions and recommend materials, finishes, and installation techniques that perform well year-round. The value of hiring Phoenixville door replacement pros. Avoiding these common mistakes isn't just about technical skill, it's about experience, planning, and attention to detail. Professional door installers know how to anticipate problems before they happen and deliver results that last. By choosing Phoenixville door replacement pros, homeowners benefit from proper installation, improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, and a door that looks and functions exactly as it should. In the long run, expert installation saves money, time, and stress, making it a smart investment for any home.